Clear prop. Alright. Just do a normal flight, and down do some turns and slow flight, let you fly, come back and do a short landing. So we're here at the May 2026 rudder workshop, and been working on the rudder all day. What do you think so far?
It's pretty fun. I actually get to learn a few new things with my grandpa.
Yeah, with your grandpa. That's always nice. And you're coming from where now? I forgot.
Central Illinois.
Central Illinois, okay. And this is your first time in a small plane besides an airliner, correct?
Yep.
So it'd be neat to see what you think of a small airplane. Yeah. You might be hooked, you know. Mexico traffic. Bremo 612 expect is going to be back taxiing for 1A Mexico. We're in the 701. We have the Rotax engine, which is 100 horsepower. We've got ground adjustable prop on there. We got the center stick here. You're building the rudder today, which is for the 701. So. Check everything out, and then we'll lower the flaps a little bit, and then we'll do a short takeoff.
Okay.
Systems on each cylinder, so if one fails, the other will pick it up. So that's what we're doing is we're checking each ignition.
Okay.
Left and right, and then both. So now we're on both. We're checking the controls clear and free. Nothing's locked up, nothing seat belts or anything like that. Don't push your leg on the door, and we just let the water temperature get up just a little bit, because this is an air-cooled and water-cooled, unlike the car. This is our airspeed indicator, our altimeter, RPM, vertical speed indicator, go transponder, and then just some engine gauges. So this airplane here is very basic, simple. All right, we're right up on that water temp. Mexico traffic, Bremo 701 is going to be departing runway 18, be a local flight for Mexico. Alright, stick back about 3/4. Ease into power. It's a little choppy today. Got the thermals working it. Bring up the flaps. Excellent visibility. What do you think so far?
This thing's pretty sweet. It's a lot different.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah. You can see a lot more, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah. we'll just go out here and do some turns. Yeah, you can tell the storms are coming in. Alright, there's level flight, hands off. Nice, simple airplane to fly. Do a turn here, you can see right over the skylight there.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's nice to look at everything on the ground, how small it is.
Yeah, it almost kind of looks fake.
It does. So you've been building the rudder all day. You think it's pretty easy to build?
Yeah, it's pretty simple if you read the instructions.
Read the instructions, exactly. And you know, the rest of the kit is pretty much like that. It's a match told kit, so, you know, a 15-year-old could even build it, right?
Yeah.
Well, we've had a lot of young kids, you know, like yourself, build them as a school project.
Yeah. I'm missing school to do this right now.
Oh, good. You want to see how it flies? Put your hand right there. Okay? And barely pull back, go up, down, right and left. Just very, very little movement.
Kind of like a video game.
Well, yes, but you can't restart it. All right, I've got it. It's just fun to get out and fly around a little bit.
I should do this more often.
Yeah. Now your grandpa knows how to fly?
Yeah, he has an ultralight.
Oh, okay. This is more like this is really like an advanced ultralight. It's all metal and it's got a 4-stroke engine where, you know, a lot of ultralights are 2-stroke engine.
Yeah.
Is it a 2-seater or 1-seater?
I believe it's just a 1-seater.
Okay. Yeah, I think that, yeah, they have to be 1-seater anymore. All right, well, let's go back in and just got to get back to work to finish that rudder.
Yeah.
Mexico, traffic Scramble 612 Quebec is 1 mile east-southeast of the airport inbound landing for runway 18 Mexico. Check everything out before we land, looks good. And we're going to add a little bit of flap space to final. I need to get a picture of us in the air, don't I? There we go. Almost forgot that.
Do you want to take a picture for my friend?
Sure. Watch the door handle. And Mexico traffic, Spirit 1613 Quebec is turning final 1A Mexico. Crosswind there. That's all there is. Yeah. Well, good. I'm glad you enjoyed your flight, and now you got to get back and build in the rudder.
Yeah.
Pull up here, get some fuel, pick up your grandpa.
Yeah. Yeah, he'll probably want to be in this.